Hey Hoagie fans, today we're going to make a chicken cheesesteak. Now, I know what you're saying. Chicken cheesesteak, that's almost, a crime, right? But I'm a chicken fan and I like to eat my cheesesteaks with chicken, the classic yard bird, on my hoagie sandwich. So join me. Let's make my chicken cheesesteak. Okay, so we have a flat griddle. To make this, you need a flat griddle. You can do it in like a saute pan, but we got to do it cheesesteak style. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil on here. What's great about the flat griddle is we can cook everything on here. So we're even going to toast our buns on here. So I have some sliced onion. Ooh. I'm going to start getting a cook on that. And we're going to start getting a cook on these sliced bell peppers straight out of Ebu's garden. I'm going to saute these until they start softening. I feel like I want a little bit more oil. So I'm going to put our chicken on here. Chicken. I got a lot to cook up here. Ooh. Phew. I'm going to salt this chicken. I'm going to pepper this chicken. If you want fresh ground, use that. I don't want like that bite to it, so I'm just going to do it like that. Put a little bit of garlic, or a lot of garlic powder. Wrong side. So let's keep this separate because that's raw chicken. Smells amazing. This side I'm gonna have this over like medium heat, but I'm gonna turn that side down a little bit. Salt this side, pepper this side. I don't know why I like it like little peppery, but not like really coarse peppery. It's looking pretty good, so we'll be back as soon as this is done. Okay, so the chicken is looking really good. We turned the temp down on this side. I'm going to move the chicken and all that to this side. And make sure that's down to low. So we have these Amoroso rolls. I got the smaller ones just because I don't want like big, huge sandwiches. These come from Aldi. These are actually the company that makes the ones that a lot of cheesesteak places use. So it's Amoroso's. And if you don't have that, just use some kind of Italian hoagie roll. So here's our hoagie roll. And I have just a little bit of oil here. I'm just gonna brush the hoagie roll with that just to give us a little bit of browning, because my griddle, all the oil goes to the outside edge. And we're just gonna make 2 little sandwiches, 2 for each of us. We could have got the big ones, but they were out of them. And these actually are a pretty good size for us. Smells really good in here, guys. Really, really good. So you can use Cheese Whiz as you want to. Eric likes provolone, which is a classic cheesesteak cheese. Not as classic as a Cheese Whiz, but pretty classic. I'm not gonna have any cheese on mine. So, okay, so our rolls are looking good here. Look at that. Woo! And we're going to be filling these babies. Let me turn all of this off. So here's mine without the cheese. So we're going to go ahead and fill these babies with chicken. And bell peppers and onions. I'm allergic to cheese, so. Yum. And we got some for Eric with cheese. Woo! Wow. Think these look good, Eric?
I don't know. Bring them closer to me, my pretty.
Yeah. Wow. That's chicken cheesesteak, guys. Those look amazing. So I think we need to take a taste. So cooks, I think it's the best time. It's eating time, right? You want one of these, Eric?
Maybe.
I'm gonna take one without the cheese. And Eric's gonna take one with the cheese. So of course these aren't authentic cheesesteaks, but they're gonna be tasty.
Bottoms up, think.
Nonetheless, what do you think, Eric?
Oh, I don't know. I got food in front of me. What am I going to say? It's not authentic. Smells good.
It's tasty. Really good.
Rolls are good. Meat's good.
Tasty.
Got cheese.
Yeah, cooks, not exactly an authentic cheesesteak, but I like chicken, and these are delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. You can find this recipe out on my website, amylearnstocook.com, and come check me out on my Facebook page, facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can also catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. So let's go eat these sandwiches, boo.